Miami!
Tryna fuck, point me to the slut.
Can I touch that booty? If you just know you're that girl,
Yeah.
you just have no choice but to be that girl. And I feel like I'm that girl. Hey besties, I just made it to the airport because your girl is finna go outside. I'm finna be in Miami with the vibes. Yeah, so I actually got here on time. I thought I was gonna be late because I just
in the Concourse C Airport Challenge.
Yeah, like I said, I thought I was going to be late and rushing because I had 2 clients this morning at 7 a.m. I ended up finishing them like pretty early. Like I did their makeup so fast. I was actually surprised at myself. Like I got done with their makeup real quick and I just came straight to the airport. Flight don't leave until 10:58 and it's currently 9:47. We board probably in about the next 20-30 minutes or so. So yeah, I'm just waiting, and I actually got a connecting flight, so I gotta fly to Atlanta, then fly from Atlanta to Miami. Really hate connecting layovers. Like I just want to go straight to my destination, and that be it. I'll probably land in Miami probably like around 4:30ish. So yeah, I got kind of a long travel day ahead of me, but it's okay. Really? Hey y'all, so just landed in Atlanta not too long ago. And y'all, they was finna blow me because while I get to my gate and they talking about something, they didn't do my city time yet, and they talking about it's overbooked and they have to find somewhere to sit me. Y'all better find somewhere to sit me right now. But I just checked the board and I got my seat assignment, so we all good. Because I'm ready to get where I'm going. Like, tired of being in the airport. Over it.
Nicole Hill.
I am so stressed right now. Because why did my freaking suitcase break? Like, why is my suitcase broke? Not my suitcase, it's my mom's suitcase because I didn't have like a small carry-on suitcase. All my luggages are big. I actually go get me a little small suitcase so I won't have to go through shit like this and ask people for theirs. Let me show y'all how this suitcase look. Let me just show y'all first. Gee. What the fuck is what is this? Like the whole other half of the whatever this is broke.
If you see something suspicious, please call 911 to be connected to the proper authorities. Thank you.
I'm so irritated about that because now I'm struggling trying to roll this suitcase through the airport. Y'all, so tell me why am I still in Atlanta? I don't understand. Why am I still here and it's 6:30? I was supposed to be in Miami at 4:45. Delta, y'all pissing me off. Y'all pissing me off. Like, gee, if the next time I pick up this camera and I'm not in Miami, something gonna happen. And it's something I want to say, but I ain't gonna say it because I'm in the airport and I ain't trying to get, you know. But yeah, say hi to the vlog, Lanaya. Say hi to Lanaya. Say hi to the vlog. Yay, her. Y'all see, she out in Miami with the vibes. And I'm in this dumbass airport looking slow, hungry, tired, hot. Oh, then these people probably looking at me like I'm crazy. So hopefully when I pick back up this camera, y'all, I'm gonna be in Miami. I'm not gonna pick back up this camera until I'm in Miami. So see y'all there.
And you know that we locked in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. You my twin, you my twin.
12 sleepless hours later.
$10 million cash, fuck a friend. Come on, let's take these shots so we can second shot of the night.
Everybody in this? Oh, nobody never said my number. Yeah, that's bad.
Oh, this shit dark as hell. Hold on. Hold on, cause don't even play with me. What's going on with the lighting? But what up, besties? I just touched down in the yams. Hey. Finally, after how many hours it's been? Your girl out here. Oop, don't fall now. It's dark as hell out here. But yeah, y'all, just touched down in Miami. You know, had to take a couple shots pre-game, you know. But we actually finna head out and go to a hookah lounge. So yeah, those the vibes. And you know, whatever else Miami got to offer us tonight. Hit up the strip or whatever, you know. I had to do something real, like real quick to my face. But it's giving. It's giving, right? Yeah, it's giving. Let's do a little fit check. Green, you know. Got the color block going on because you girl love the color block, y'all already know. Fuck a black truck, we in a white truck.
I think we're gonna have like some bottle wars in this motherfucker tonight.
Good morning, besties. Please, 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 don't mind how I'm looking. I am looking really crazy right now. So tired. I just woke up, morning breath and all, but it's okay. I had to just come on here because I want to open up my little gift with y'all. I haven't even looked in it, so I don't even know what it is. But my friend Lanaya gave us little gift bags.
Thank you for coming.
Little thank you gift bags for coming. So let's see what's in here. Y'all know I love me a good gift. Oh, so this is like a little lemon drop. See, I need to take this. I'm gonna wait though, so I get myself together. So we got a little lemon drop shot, a phone case, not like a phone case, but like, you know those things that you put your phone in to get, so it won't get wet, like if you're doing water sports and all of that. Waterproof bag, waterproof phone bag. It's a good idea. Even though I'm damn near not doing no water sports, but still, if I get in the pool or something, you know, gum. I need this right now. And we just got some little candies in here.
Your boxing in there? It's not a boxing in there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Got some candy. And some BC powders. I low-key should take this right now. Cause I do got a slight headache. A fan. Yes. Because it's hot in these Miami streets. You need a fan like everywhere you go. And that's crazy because I brought one too.
You did?
Well, I had one. I just brought it with me, but yes. Oh yeah, we need batteries. But a fan, and it's my favorite color. Thank you, friend. We got us a little thank you card. Let's see. Wish it was some money in here. Yes, it's a thank you card. Yeah, it says, Shadari, thank you so much for choosing to celebrate my 25th birthday with me. You are beautiful inside and out, and I'm so thankful to have you as a close friend / sis. This trip will be one to remember. I hope you have a blast. Love, Lanaya. Period. I love you too, friend, and we definitely finna turn up. Finna turn these Miami streets up. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and go brush my teeth, wash my face, do all that shit, and start getting ready. Cause my breath is hot. And I shouldn't be on here talking to y'all with a hot breath. So I'll be back. Baby, makeup on point. Big check, big check, big check. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Y'all should already know one thing about me. If I didn't finish my drink when I'm leaving out from wherever I'm at, I'm taking it with me. I'm taking it with me because I paid $30 for this. Dog. But I'm at this lemonade stand getting me some lemonade, and I'ma just mix that with my lemonade. Y'all feel me? Yeah.
Is yours done?
Uh-huh. Cause we in this home. Turn me up, I'm tryna fuck. Point me to the slut. Phone them, gave them up.
Fuck, she got some bonds, make me come. This bitch turn around. You can't come up in this bitch without like goofy shit.
Sweating the bitch, get tired. She said nothing but happening now. It's a drought.
Oh yeah, I'm finna have one after we come from Miami.
Y'all, these hoes is out here.
Look at her.
Sleep. Little mamas.
I'm not asleep, I'm just relaxing.
That's what they say. I'm not asleep.
I'm just
relaxing my eyes.
A lie.
A lie.
We out here, we on South Beach, Miami.
Chilling.
Yeah, we got this bed.
Yeah.
We need
Yeah,
some
let me show
chicken
you.
wings. Oh,
right?
We just love bacon, bitch, and these bitches is still
hungry. You
we
know,
love bacon, bitch.
You gotta feed that liquor. You have to feed the liquor. I'm sorry.
Me too. This motherfucker eats like a grown man and still looks like that.
She do.
That's why I thought she was 22. Cause that's how I was at 22 2 years ago. I could eat anything and I wouldn't gain no weight.
I need some pictures. Where the fuck the sun at?
I was watching this motherfucker eat the other night. I'm like, she looks good. I'm like, what the fuck?
Say, I'm outside thugging with my rounds.
Yeah, I only ran track, did softball, and I did
tennis.
tennis.
Some music or something. I need to turn up.
It was a good workout.
How much?
15.
Huh?
15. Tengo margarita strawberry frozen.
$15.
Tengo frozen margarita. Y tengo mango.
I'll share one.
Tengo mango frozen.
Want to share one?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll share one.
We get one.
Y'all know y'all lit in Miami, huh? With all the goods.
How about can you do 2 for $20?
You know somebody. You know somebody sell edibles?
You saw 2 for $30, bitch. That's already 15. That's not a deal.
Y'all.
They do chess keys at nighttime?
Hey y'all, we back at the Airbnb. I actually just get out the shower, sitting here, just wash my face, doing a little skincare before I start my makeup because we finna run it back outside. Yeah, I actually need a nap. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of tired, but I'm really not at the same time. I don't know, but I'm actually like woke. I just wanna, relax. But better hit these Miami streets once again. And baby, cause y'all try to hate that feeling when y'all just been like drinking all day. And it's like you feel super duper bloated and full, but you're not really full because you don't eat the food, but you're full. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now. Like, I'm super bloated. I need to slow down. Out here looking like I'm 4 months pregnant. That was pregnant. That's not cute. It's not cute. Out here with butt and gut. Literally, butt and gut. But it's okay. Because the face card, what it do? It don't never decline. So, I think I'm the only one that's getting ready right now. So, and I don't like that. I don't like me the only one getting ready because what is y'all doing? Let me just do my skincare and first time I make up and I'm gonna go lay down. Bringing that skin back to life. So now y'all starting on this little face of mine. Really don't feel like doing my makeup. I'm looking tired of doing my makeup, but it's whatever. I'm gonna just do something real easy, simple, and call it a day. Honestly. A little concealer, a little powder, a little bronzer, a little blush, and then we good to go. Cause I'm not gonna do all that. Not tonight. But y'all know the face still gonna give regardless. Still gonna give. Makeup is done. Outfit is on. Period. Now we're gonna do the scent of the night. What is it going to be? So scent of the night, I'm going in with this Nest. I don't know if y'all can see it. This Nest body oil. It's the Madagascar vanilla scent. And I'm gonna just put some of this on me. I think you and Melody got the same outfit. Bitch, you just had on 3 different outfits that was the same.
Yeah, it was. I like this one better.
Let me rub this in. Don't get your hair wet. Sorry. Now I'm gonna go in with my Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Now this smells so good. And that is the scent of the night. So yeah, I'm ready. Jewelry on.
I see.
Products on. Now I'm just gonna add some more crimps in my hair, do the night makeup, and we finna get out the door. Excuse me. I ain't bringing my camera with me tonight because I don't got time to be getting stopped at the door. Talking about you can't bring no camera, so I'ma just see y'all when we get back, or I'ma just vlog off my phone a couple clips or something. But yeah, bye besties, see y'all later. Bitch, her hair almost went into the damn ice bucket. Like,
Anything.
what are you doing?
I'm like, oh my god. First of all, you're gonna get jumped. Man. She's gonna be like, what the fuck is that?
Bodysuit is cutting. It's cutting me. Hey y'all, we just made it back in at the Airbnb at, look at the time, it's a 4:23. We had bottles popping all night. I wish I could have brought my camera. I should have, but I ain't got time for that. I got like a little footage on my phone that I'm finna insert right mother now.
I don't know how to dance, but can lean. Make the ghetto bitch put the hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put the hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put the hands on their knees. I don't know how to dance, but can lean. Make the ghetto bitch put the hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put the hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put the hands on their knees. Yeah, caught by man, she a hot girl. Put her out. Ooh, I just broke a sweat in this bitch. Get tired. She said nothing been happening though. It's a trap. I just put her ass in the L. Dick her down. She getting time out, you a bad. Just set me a spot with the ad. Or get up and pop me an addict. Or get up and pop me an ad. Or get up and catch me a flight. Shit took me about 4 hours, went out the cab. Don't matter how much she say it, still ain't no way she can make me a dad. I don't know how to dance, but can lean. And make the ghetto bitch put the hands on it.
We had a ball tonight. Bottles on top of them. Bottles on top. What am I talking about? I don't know, but here, y'all, we gotta get up early. We gotta get up early because we gotta cook. We gotta clean. We gotta wash everything. So he can write that check. But no, we do gotta get up early because we having brunch. And we got to be at the boat at 11:30. So, yeah. Good morning, besties. Y'all, we made it on the boat. We actually just started to pull off. I don't know if y'all can hear me because it's loud. But it's my friend's birthday. Happy birthday, Nene. We out in Miami with the motherfucking vibes. But, yeah, we on the boat. Just took off. Body yada yada.
So this is our yacht. We just gonna give you a quick tour. So
but y'all, I'm finna go eat. Hold on, I'm finna go inside. Excuse me.
We in here. Here's the quick tour of the
Y'all, I'm sorry. I gotta eat real quick. I'm sorry. I can't do it. I think they both the same.
Gotta reach in my lavins. Pussy good, so I use my advantage. Pipe down, I ain't in a sandwich. What for you talking to me? Better type a number. Thick like a cucumber. I don't want a round thing. I want a helicopter. Make me poop. My thick boy pussy make him feel high. It's so good, make me poop.
It's motherfucking shot o'clock. Let's take a shot of the Delion. Diddy, where you at? Diddy, where you at? She's so funny, dude. She talking about some of the Dilly. Look, it's an act bad summer. And we acting motherfucking bad, okay?
A little bit more, because I poured like 3 shots. That's good. I poured like 3 shots.
Am I the only one drinking this Delion?
I'm about to do this do safe for now, but then...
You can have that.
You can have that, baby.
Damn, I'm the only one. Everybody else drinking do safe.
I'll do some Delion. It's when we work.
I don't know how I was drinking at Casamigo last night. Maybe because it was free, but...
Man, it's free. You drink anything when it's free.
Like, fuck it.
Yeah, right off the back, I'm a Mac. We can get it poppin', we can get it crackin'. And if your man is back, and if he lack what I pack, then I will make you lack him. Try to make do what you wanna, how you wanna, where you wanna, when you wanna ask them. And my clip never droppin', we can get it poppin' like a Mac 10. That, when you're back.
The biggest, the baddest, we in
Miami to Miami out here.
Oh, I really hate when I sound like a fucking man. In the M's, with a couple bad bitches. Yeah, that's what we doing? Yeah. That's what we doing?
Yeah. Hey.
Cause I like to be the king. Control that dick like a puppet. 5 minutes in and he begging me to stop it. Oh, I'll let
Hey besties, good morning. Today it is June 5th. This is Monday and this is our last day in Miami. We actually go home today, so I wouldn't even say like last day in Miami, but like last couple of hours in Miami. And I haven't even picked up the camera. So yesterday where I left off at, I think I left off when we was on the yacht. Didn't pick back up the camera when we did yesterday. When we came back to the Airbnb, we got in the pool for a little while, and then we went to this. We went to Poppy Steak, and then went to like this little strip club, and I wasn't really feeling the vibes there. So we left. My flight actually leaves first, which is at like 6:30. So I need to be heading to the airport at 5. But what I really came on here to do is give y'all an Airbnb tour of how, you know, our Airbnb look, because I didn't get a chance to do it when we first got here. So let's go do this tour real quick. This is when we first walk in. This is the door area. You know, this is the kitchen. We got stuff everywhere because, you know, we can get ready to check out, but the kitchen, and this is, I want to say like some type of office room right here. I kind of love how they got like paintings everywhere. So this is the living and dining room area. You see how they got the paintings everywhere? I like that. And it's really these mirrors for me. It's really the mirrors for me, but let's go see the views. So we can, it's 3 ways we can enter this balcony. From this way, and we can enter the balcony from our room right here as well. You see. But these are the views. wish I would have got this at nighttime, y'all. I'm so slow. Why didn't I get any views at night? It's crazy, but this is the views. We got the pool down here. So yeah, let's come out. Back. Here. This was another bedroom. You see, we got posters everywhere. The second bathroom. I didn't even show y'all our bathroom. But yeah, second bathroom. Here go another poster. Like, it's just posters and paintings everywhere. So this was another room. Very much simplicity. And here's another balcony. I ain't gonna go out that way because I saw it. But this is the second balcony right here. This is our room. Right here, me and Lanaya's room. And walk-in closet. It's big as hell. Can't find the right, but this is the walk-in closet. Come right here, got your washer and dryer. And my favorite part, which is like this little vanity area. Yeah, I was sitting here doing my skincare, makeup, hair, all of that. My lighting is really nice right here. Like, look at me. Y'all, I sound like a man. Featuring my Skims two-piece set. So don't play with it, don't play with it. Okay, but nah. Bathroom. This is the master bathroom. See? Not too much. With the toilet and the toilet that clean your ass. Shower. Yeah. And that wraps up the Airbnb tour. I'm sorry that this tour was like not a good tour because I really wanted to do a montage, but it's not gonna look good because everything is just out of place. We still got our stuff everywhere. So I just wanted to just show y'all like the gist of our Airbnb. So we're finna get ready and check out. So I'll just call y'all back once we get to wherever we decide that we wanna go. Excuse me, can you take this?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Might want to rub that.
Yeah, we need brand new waters, please. It tastes a little spicy. Thank you so much.
She is killing me with this spicy water. Y'all, our hookah is big as fuck.
Y'all might as well hit the hookah just to hit it. Please hit the hookah just right.
One time for the one time.
You gotta be a couple addicted to it. You don't gotta be addicted. It's not even like you don't gotta be addicted.
Yeah.
I want to get we from out of town. Show us a good time. Fall off this shit.
I'ma tell you everything I want from you, but if it's real, then you know what you're supposed to do. But it's cool, cause I like to be the king of the do. Control that dick like a puppet. 5 minutes in and he begging me to stop it. Ooh, all that shit he was talking, cool. How many licks did it take? 2. Now that's a bad, bad motherfucker. A real hot girl, so these niggas can't touch her. I put them in the cuffs when we playing undercover, then I shove them in the bag, in the car, and I fuck them. Yeah, I know you been fiending, I've been looking.
I put in your tongue.
Not these hoes out here don't know how to smoke hookah.
I put in your tongue at the back of your throat to cover. Ooh.
Y'all need to remember who y'all talking to. It's somebody can't see y'all.
This how when you brush your teeth, you don't let the toothpaste go down your throat like that. Just hold the shit in your mouth. Kind of like that.
And it's not hard, so I don't feel like I was choking.
How your body
You just have no choice but to be that girl. And I feel like I'm that girl.